Let's review how to use the AI Researcher accordion on Toolkit.law. Start by selecting the Tools section, then opening the AI Researcher accordion. Here, you'll see a structured workspace designed to centralize all your AI-assisted legal research. At the top is the AI Assistant panel, where you can select or create a session. You can also use the integrated basic calculator for quick numerical references while researching. Next is the Clients and Matters section, where you can search or add new entries. Further down is the Infrastructure menu. This is where Toolkit.law organizes the major AI ecosystems you may rely on. Under Notes, you'll find a curated list of AI platforms widely used in the legal and professional world, including Apple Intelligence, Google Gemini, Harvey Legal AI, and Microsoft Copilot, etc. Below that is the Source Types area, which explains the distinction between primary and secondary legal sources. At the bottom is the Your section, where you can add your own research titles, weblinks, and comments. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's AI Researcher accordion.